You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? How to say potato or potato. In French, Pomme de Terre, literally meaning apple from the earth. Pomme is French for apple. Pomme de meaning of or from. Terre, terre is earth in French. Pomme de terre is how to say potato in French. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.